Hi everyone, my name is Emma Besa Brupinam. I want to explain material about talk show. For the first, I want to explain meaning about talk show. Introduction: the talk show is a highly confrontational, discursive genre, a widely influential media phenomenon, as well as politically and morally controversial. Form of entertainment. Few discursive practices of popular broadcast culture have been more contentious and subject to cultural and scholarly examination in recent years than the talk show, particularly the television talk show. The very notion of talk show raises issue concerning the boundaries between talk or protocol, legal diaconal, and show protocolally monological, between public and private, between collective and personal, expressive, between expressive and expressive, between interpersonal and mass communication, between information and entertainment, between distract and overlapping identities, or me, you, us, them, according to Manson. And next, talk about briefing historical survey. The talk show is a modern Anglo-Saxon institution that may be sent to eco-entertain pre-modern social cultural practices for purposeful conversation, according to Brooke. In 16 countries, Italy had the Academy, a discussion group for intellectuals with fixed membership and fixed day for meetings. And they saw the emergence of its French counterpart, the Salon, a semi-formal social occasion organized by artists normally once a week for a mixture of ladies and men of letters. In England, the equivalent social institution flourished in the 18th century in the form of the more informal coffee house and assembly and the club. Of talk show. There are the three main reasons why it's a very leading text of definite talk show. For one, they present rapidly changed hybrid media phenomena. Two, they display intertextuality through overlaps with other media teaser from of time. And three, they endless reconstruct themselves by violating and transgressing their own discursive confrontation. The talk show display a hybrid broadcast discourse in which patterns of communicative and social behavior can be associated with more than one discourse type through overlaps with other mediated forms of talk, such as interviews, debates, sitcoms, game show, and quiz shows. And next, characteristic features of talk show. Characteristically, talk show bring together through the meditation of a host, a guest panel or expert, and live participants, a studio audience, and occasionally an audience of callers. The following are some of the key features of talk show. 1. As audience-oriented meditation events, talk show target simultaneously a multiple audience made up the directly addressed audience of interlocutors on the onlooking student audience and the overhearing audience of TV viewers. 2. Both experienced and lay people are often present as surrogates. Much the program's focus has to do with the interchange between them. 3. The show host, usually a media personality, is monitoring most of the discussion by stimulating, building, and facilitating the participants' roles and contribution to the program, or for information exchange, confrontation, and entertainment. 4. As episode in the program focus of the particular topic of social, political, or personal concern. Confrontation and conflicting opinions are usually guarding the selection of the topics and of participants. 5. Personal experience had common sense, have considerable status, and interestingly appear as forms of knowledge and are obsessed to expertise and to dominate discourse or of power, race, gender, and 6. The discursive strength of talk show are in interview, narrative, debate, game, conversation, testimony. 7. These programs are usually inexpensive to produce, particularly because are not part of prime the broadcasting. And 8. Most programs are either broadcast live or recorded in real time with the little editing. Of talk show. 5 major criteria have been used of varying ways by talk show scholars to identify and distinguish between various talk show formats. 1. Discussion topics, from contemporary political issues to social or moral problems. 2. Categories of participants, particularly in terms of social and plurality status or celebrities or ordinary members of the public. 3. Broadcasting time, or early morning, daytime, or late night. And 4. Organizational and interactional frameworks, or staging confession and setting configuration for show goals and audience. And 5. Ethical considerations, the producers and hosts' moral concerns. Talk show is a television or radio program where a person or group gathers together to discuss various topics in a really relaxed but serious atmosphere, guided by a moderator. The purpose of holding a talk show is to discuss a topic or information from particular activity. This talk show is important to exchange information needed by audience. This is about material I can explain.